pumasok ka sa clinic, hanapin mo yung license ng doctor. Kasi marami rin nagpapanggap online. Marami nagpapanggap na doctors. Alright, we're going to use a gel 40. So we're going to open the box.
So this product is from Italy, right, Doc?
Yeah, so this is an Italian skin booster. So it contains hyaluronic acid. And it's a bio-revitalizing gel. So we're opening it. So this is how it looks like.
This product is very similar to Profhilo and Duhilo, wherein you would just inject in few aesthetic points on the face. And it can also be used in other areas like the neck, the hands, yung ano natin, yung to improve the laxity of the skin.
So we usually assess the face when we have a patient, and we divide the face into thirds. So I usually divide it upper, middle, and the lower third. So as I've noticed with our patient Kat, meron tayong a little bit kulang dito sa may middle third natin. So when we have a patient, we usually document the procedure. We take before and after picture. So we just did the before pictures, and as you notice, maganda naman yung measurements ng patient kasi I divided it to upper, middle, and lower third, and okay naman siya based sa ating measurements. But pag nag-side siya, you would notice a little bit depression sa middle cheek. So makikita mo medyo okay dito sa forehead, sa middle cheek palubog siya, while the lower part of the face, maganda naman yung kanyang chin. So we want naman to improve itong area na depressed. So we're gonna do the skin booster to improve the skin and give a little bit of volume. We're gonna measure 1 centimeter apart. There we go. And 1 centimeter here. Ayan. So, prior to this, nalagyan na ng alcohol yung face ng patient na clean na namin and na-sterilize. So, we're going to start the procedure. Yan, higa tayo. Kat.
Dok, nakita ko yung game nyo sa online sa YouTube, yung Beauty Bestie.
Yes, nag-follow ka na ba?
Oh, Dok, nilike ko na nga.
Ay, galing! Thank you, ma'am, sa support.
Thank you sa pag-subscribe and pag-follow.
We started doing online videos to share educational tips sa mga viewers natin para din guided sila. Some patients din kasi, they opt to, naghahanap ng mga murang procedure, they opt to go to spa na walang licensed doctor, and they undergo procedure or they offer medical procedures that supposedly doctors lang ang gumagawa. So we want viewers to be aware and to be more selective and be more wise in choosing their clinic and who will do their beauty treatments.
So we see it as we're doctors, we have the expertise, and we can share our knowledge, syempre, so that people can gain some insights on how this procedure is happening. That's why we love connecting with our potential clients, potential patients, and at the same time with the viewers then to educate them about what is going on sa aesthetic field.
Point to na ako. Bye ma'am.
Dok, may nakita kong mga nurse sa online na nagbo-botox.
Well, Botox is a medical procedure. So, and any medical procedure, it should be done by a licensed doctor. So, hindi dahil injection lang yon or easy lang yung paglagay, and yung volume lang kasi ng Botox, sobrang liit lang yung yung per unit eh. But Botox there are dangers and misuse of Botox. Botox, as we know it, it's a toxin from bacteria that it can cause paralysis when there's overdosage.
Yes, for sure. Like, with these procedures, dapat safety first because it's an aesthetic procedure. So, kailangan, this should be done by a licensed medical professional. This is a medical practice, so nurses aren't licensed to do these procedures. So, dapat well-trained doctor. At the same time, make sure na kagaya na to, we do it in a sterile, safe environment.
Although rare, there's still a possibility of allergic reaction with the medicine. So, if you're not properly trained to do all of those, it's gonna be really risky.
Yes, for sure. Kasi, alam mo naman ngayon, di ba? Mga people gustong gumanda. But, we still have to be very cautious. Dapat we look for the medical license. Pag pumasok ka sa clinic, hanapin mo yung license ng doctor. Kasi marami rin nagpapanggap online.
Yeah.
Marami nagpapanggap na doctors.
Some foreign doctors,
ayun, nakita ko yung,
yeah,
yung news na
some
yan.
foreign doctors were here in the Philippines practicing medicine. First of all, even though they are really doctors from their home country, they don't have the license to practice here. Because they have to undergo the board exam first to be properly
dahil
qualified.
Doctor, pwede nilang gawin. Dapat license sila in the Philippines. Sige, konti lang to ha. So yung pain natin from a pain scale of 1 to 10?
5 po.
5. O, di ba? Nakita mo na agad yung results, ano? Mas gumanda, nagkaroon siya ng ano?
May volume effect yung hyaluronic. Since it's gonna draw water, it's gonna attract water. And at the same time, it's gonna make the skin look lighter because of the hydration and the firmness of the skin. Thus, magiging less visible yung mga mga pekas niya dito sa cheek area.
Nalagyan ko din tong isang side na to, sa ilalim. Okay. So,
here,
we already see yung volumization effect ng hyaluronic acid and we've decided to add another BAP point. Ayan. Sa side na to. And we're gonna do another point sa side na to. Hawakan na lang natin tong ice. Okay. Another point. Sorry. Konti lang. Sensya na.
So this is gonna stimulate the collagen production. As you see, sabi ni Ma'am Kat, since birth talagang hindi talaga prominent yung cheekbones niya. So this is not filler. It's not a replacement for filler. So it doesn't have like permanent volume. So,
effect.
Yes.
Kasi magdi-diffuse yan.
Magdi-diffuse pa rin to. Initially, magkakaroon ng volume effect for a few weeks. Then, it's gonna stimulate the collagen production. So, somewhat magkakaroon tayo ng konting firmness and laman here.
Yes. So, alam natin ang hyaluronic acid, it attracts water. So, the patient can expect after the procedure a little bit of swelling tomorrow, but it's not like a long downtime. So, saglit lang, then eventually, after the second day, manonotice na niya na it's almost gone. Mga naiwan na lang is 20% because it's spread out. And manonotice niya rin at that time, may konting glowing effect sa skin niya, konting improvement. But the best results, you would notice it after 2 to 3 months. Oh, ganda! I really like yung instant effect na procedure na to. So, mukha na siyang mas refreshed right now. At saka mas may volume. So, yung under eye niya naging lighter din, no? Hindi na ganun ka-dark.
Also, the reason why the under eye appears darker, it's because of the depression, because of aging na rin. Kasi the collagen is more loose. So, nagiging mas translucent. So, it appears darker. But if we add like hyaluronic acid for firmness and for hydration, it's gonna appear thicker. The skin is gonna appear thicker. Thus yung darkness is malelessen din.
Ewan ko ba, bakit ako yung na-excite when I see someone becoming more beautiful and glowing. Kaya siguro ako nag-aesthetic practice because I'm so happy when I see my patients looking good.
I also feel the same way when I started on this industry because it gives me pleasure to like
Help
see,
someone.
Yeah, patient feel prettier and we were able to address their concerns.
Maybe alam mo sis, baka dahil nung napanganak ako, hindi ako ganun kaganda. Tapos 3 kaming girls sa family, ano. And people would always compare us. They say, alam mo ikaw, yung pinaka hindi, pretty. That's what I've been hearing when I was young. So, when I discovered aesthetic medicine, I was able to apply it on myself. Ngayon, syempre, medyo wala na nagsasabi noon, di ba? Pero when I see patients becoming more pretty, I actually feel na, oh, they're gonna have a better, social environment ba?
Yes.
Mas maganda yung response sa kanila ng people and they can have a better job. I see it in Korea kasi yung magaganda, they get the best jobs.
Pero not discriminating people, but
Oh, for sure, not
For sure.
discriminating
We're not
people. We're
discriminating.
just saying yung experience namin.
but of course, it is nice to be confident about like how you look. But there are skin problems that needs to be addressed. I mean, you're already beautiful as you are, but we're here to make you more beautiful and be more confident with yourself.
And bring your beauty from within to
Yes.
show outside then so that everyone can enjoy your beauty. Ayan. So, alam mo, ewan ko, I just really feel happy. Ang ganda ng result. Congratulations.
Kasi when you're confident, you have the inner glow talaga and
Yes.
you socialize more better.
Oh, especially, oh my God, baka sabihin ng iba nagpa-shame tayo, no?
No, we're not at all. But again, as our name implies, we're your best friends. We're always here. Our doors are
Open.
open.
You can come to our clinic. Anong clinic mo, Doc RD?
My clinic, Idara Aesthetics Ayala Fervitereses, Our Rus, Scout Tralios, and your desire, Salon and Aesthetics, Tomas Morato.
Yes, and syempre, ang aming clinic is Ada Viva Clinic. It's near SM North EDSA in Project 7. So, our doors have been open for 13 years na and we've been catering to patients who wants to look beautiful inside and outside as well. So, that's what we say. Stay handsome and beautiful inside and